Welcome to McBoss Capital live stream. Today is April 8th, Wednesday, 9:28 a.m. Mountain Time. Very quickly here, we do see the market bounce on the news from yesterday evening where there's a ceasefire between Iran, US, and Israel. So market is up pretty heavily this morning, but it has come down quite a bit, but it's still up over 2.6% on Nasdaq, 2.2% down. 2.2% on S&P. Volume is lower on Nasdaq, which is, um, yeah, yesterday's volume was really high on Nasdaq, so today's lower. But NYSE volume is much higher today, so most likely we will have a follow through, a technical follow through. Whether if we do close at the lows of day today, then obviously that is not a good thing. So right now we are coming down. It's still pretty high up. The gap is very wide, so we haven't come back all the way. So far it looks okay. Let's go to daily chart here. We are above the red line, so that's the good news. So it's not surprising for it to come back and test it. So we want to find that support level. Same thing with any stocks today. I wouldn't chase it. Try to find the next support level. If you own those stocks, great. But if you don't and you want to get in, try to find where it finds support, right? At least once or at least twice, then you have a better chance of surviving another drop. If it comes down to those level, that's where you may want to stop there or something. Manage your risk. Let's go to SPY here. Well, same thing, it's coming back a little bit. Again, looking weaker and weaker throughout at this moment, so the bounce is not as strong as I would think. But again, okay, look at Dow. Dow is definitely at the low range right now. So again, very weak. So there's a high chance it'll come back at least what they call 50% retracement. So it's possible that it wants to test that 50% level. This is IWM also looking a little bit weak at this moment, but this one is way above the red line. So this one is definitely have been leading all the index. So we'll see what happens. In terms of growth stocks, we do have many growth stocks on the move today, like high volume. So there's really, there's just so many to pick from. It's just a matter of, what you believe in. We see BCS, GFI on the gold side, Allegiant Travel, Scorpion Tankers, Seagate here, AX, TSM, Marvel, MU. So those are some leaders. The MVT, AU, Go is going, GE, ANET, SSRM, Silver, Avago, CRS, Viking, SNEX, Light and VF, in the fiber optics. We go to list here, we see ADI, ANET, a while ago, yeah, we talked about those. Dell is doing well. MU, we talked about TSEM, TSM, UI, VIAV. Again, a lot of these stocks have come down from the top. That is the only problem. Levi reported did well. Roku, um, Cohere, Fix, FTAI, GE, GLW, MVT, TTMI, VRT, XMTR. Didn't see any health stocks on the stocks on the move. There is some gold stocks here, and then there's a few financials here. So that's pretty much it. A short update today, but we'll see where the market close. That is the most important thing today, and then we'll see if we can hold. Thank you all, and we'll look for the next support level where we can maybe see a bounce from there and maybe give us confidence to get in. Thank you for listening today and watching. Bye.